this is another video, and you'll need this one with the Nintendo LABO sign on it. First, you'll need to fold this one. You should see the Nintendo LABO going that way. Then, fold this piece inward, this one inward, this, and this. Make sure they're creased good. Then, you will need this last piece. First, fold this one and the other one like that. And now we'll be a little sneaky and we'll fold it inward. And then, you might need it to look like this. If you hold it and if you have to hold it for it to look like this, it's all right. And when you turn it around, you need this little square mark to be closer to you. Not like this, but like this. Okay? Okay. Now you need this piece. And it shall go, oh sorry, I got it the wrong way. It shall go right here. Oh, and these little tabs, they go in here, so make sure you can see them. It may be a little hard. And you're telling me. And also put the other one in too. Ta-da! Make sure you can see all the whole ends right here.